All right, not a bad first start here to spring, and with spring, not only do we warm up, but we also have our storm chances. We've already had a couple of rounds of severe weather as we wrapped up winter officially last weekend, and we could be seeing another chance of some thunderstorms, but even better than that, well, also to go with that will be multiple rounds of rain. So if we want to get the rainfall in here and we need it, we might also have to contend with some storms at times. We'll get more of that here in just a couple more minutes. Hey, turning warmer and muggier, so spring-like conditions really ramping up here as we wrap up the work week, head into the weekend. And then again, multiple rounds. That's our weather headlines. Those southerly winds are going to be cranking up, bringing in that Gulf moisture, which could be fuel for the storms as we get into next week. Upper 50s, lower 60s right now. Temperatures are cooling from those lower to mid 70s, and I think they're going to continue to drop down into the mid and upper 40s, maybe a few low 50s in our western, southwestern areas, where they could see a little bit high cloud cover building in overnight, acting like a blanket a little bit, slowing down that radiational cooling. Tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures warmer than today, even with the scatter clouds mixing in at times. Mid to upper 70s and south winds 15 to 25 miles per hour mixing in, or could be gusting up to 30 miles per hour at times. Here's the setup. Overall, pretty quiet weather. High pressure has been in control for the last couple of days, off towards the north, giving us northerly winds. Sliding further off towards the east. We saw easterly winds coming back today. We'll start to get southerly flow tomorrow. Southerly flow really increases as we go into Friday. What's all this green stuff? That's the air you wear. That's the moisture that you can feel outside. Gives you the frizzy hair days. That's really going to be increasing tomorrow and into Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday would be more of the more muggy, humid days. But again, that's fuel for the storms. Our storm system's just off the west coast. It's not even on land yet. Once it gets on land, our models handle it better. We'll get that new data in, and we'll continue to hopefully up our rain chances as we get into next week. Southerly winds again picking up as we go through the day tomorrow, 15 to 25 miles per hour for the next 2 days. So yeah, wrapping up the work week on a windy note here. Could see gusts over 30 miles per hour both days. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Yeah, not too bad on tomorrow. A little bit warmer as we get into Friday. Still some upper 70s and lower 80s. Cloud cover increases as the moisture increases. Some isolated shower chances possible Sunday into Monday. Storm system really gets close to us as we get Tuesday, crosses through the southern plains Wednesday into Thursday, and that's likely where we'll see our rain chances really start to go up Tuesday into Wednesday, maybe even lingering into Thursday morning. Still several days out, guys, and it'll likely change a lot, but we could be looking by the time we get in the middle of next week, a couple of inches of rainfall, and you got to remember we still have that severe drought. New drought monitor will come out tomorrow.
All right. Thanks, Zach.